Not the bang. The bang. Oh.
Bro, shut up, because I'm nervous as Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be how to get the fringe bangs. You guys, these are kind of coming back into style now. At first when I did it, I was just like, I don't know, but I had to put a little volume in it. I feel like it's fun when you play with the volume, and it's definitely out of my comfort zone because I don't do stuff like this. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Like, share, comment, and let's get into the video. Alright, to start off, if you have any type of makeup on, you want to take some alcohol and you want to take a cotton swab and you just want to wipe the perimeter of your forehead. And I'll tell you why it's important to do this. Because if you have a lot of product on your forehead, this glue isn't going to stick. Like, it just depends on what type of glue you have, but 9 times out of 10 the glue won't stick. So now that you've wiped the perimeter of your forehead, you're going to lay down the lace and just see where you want to apply it before you start to put your glue. Because you might need to cut the ball cap some more if it's showing too much. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Unice collection and more. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to put that on the perimeter of my forehead. Okay, so for any glue to dry properly, you have to apply an even coat, and that's what any glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my second coat. Ooh, I can't even talk today. I'm going to go ahead and apply my second coat. Alright, so I put 3 coats of glue on my forehead, so now it's time to go ahead and lay the lace. So you want to be very delicate with it, because once you lay it down, it's going to be hard to come up, and then it's going to cause a white cast sometimes. So just watch specifically how you lay it. So I like to take my comb and I'm just going to comb down the edges of the lace so that it can melt into the glue. And you're also going to do another melting part when you go ahead and put the elastic band on, but for right now, let's just comb it down. So this will determine like if you want to cut some off or if everything's in the right place. So I've laid down all the spots, so now I'm going to take my elastic band and I'm just going to tie that around the perimeter of my head just so that I can melt it even more. and blow dry while I'm doing that. This is going to help determine what you need to cut off or where you may need to add like more glue at. Okay, so I blow dried it for a little minute now, and now I'm gonna take the band off. Okay, and as you can see, like, it's really starting to melt now. So now I'm gonna go in and see like what spots do I need to cut off, because I don't want to go down anymore because I already feel like it's just way too close to my eyebrows. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to attempt the bangs. So you're gonna find the middle and you're just gonna hot comb that. So for it to be really flat, I'm gonna take some of this Edge Boss. I got makeup all on my hand. And I'm just going to rub a little bit of that where the part is, just so that it'll lay easier. It looks really pretty without even like doing the bangs. Do I just put a middle part? I'm nervous. Should I do like curls in layers? Or do I want the bangs? Alright, so you're gonna take, and I'm really nervous. You're gonna take and you're going to part your hair as far back as you want it. I don't want mine to be thick. I want mine to be very thin. So I parted mine about this much. And I'm so nervous. So nervous. And I'm just gonna comb it down. Hella nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna comb this out, and then you want to hot comb it down just so that it'll stay in place. Please, please don't burn your forehead. And I'm gonna cut it as low as possible just so that I don't fuck up first.
Not the bang. The bang. Oh.
Alright, shut up, because I'm nervous as Alright, it's starting to look a little scary now. Alright, and I want these long pieces right here, so I'm kind of gonna like, I don't even know what to say. I'm kind of going to just feather it down. It would be good if you had like a feather comb, because I don't have one, but I probably need one. Oh. So I'm going to just I'm gonna flat iron this right quick just to see what it looks like, but I know I have to make some like alterations with it. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So I definitely don't want it to be choppy like this. So to fix it from being choppy, I'm going to cut it in a fringe way. So when you want to fringe it, you just want to go like this. So I'm gonna put it back together. And I'm just going to fringe it. So now I'm gonna put my hair up and I'm gonna get to flat ironing. I always use Biostick when I go ahead and flat iron my hair because it honestly makes my hair really silky. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. It's different, that I can say. I did it once before on my channel before, but it was with a synthetic wig, so it didn't look the same. But this is a human wig, and I don't know. You guys comment below and tell me how you feel about it. I'm looking in a monitor now. Like, I just feel like it would be something that would definitely have to grow on me.